Ayan. Lamig. Ayan oh. Daming mga puno gumagano'n. Ano. Mga talisay, mga akasya, wala. Walang galaw oh. Tibay talaga no. Ang delikado yung mga yung mga buko. Tama ka malaglag yung mga nakakabasag pa naman ng windshield yung mga yan. Good morning. Happy Sunday, guys. For the last 6 months, tatlong prop firm ang nagsarado. Di ba nagsarado? Nag-cease to operate. Yun din yun eh. Di ba? Yung masakit pa sa ibang mga kaibigan ko, which is yung MFF, yung True Forex Funds, tapos yung Funded Engineer, di ba? Iba-iba naman ang kaso nito mga to. Ito is, mga batong MFF, yung regulatory ng US, di ba? Tapos, US-based kasi yan eh. Tama ba ako? Sa True Forex Funds naman, kinat ng MT ng Meta Quotes yung kanilang connection with them. So, kailangan mo ng Meta Quotes. Then, number 3 is yung Funded Engineer, which is the latest, di ba? And yung thinking ko yung pinakamalala din because they are swindling. Ito yung report, oh. Ito. Yan yung report. Nakikita nyo, di ba? Lupit ko mag-edit eh. Ayan. So, well, basically, yung kasi yung broker nila is nag-pull out na hindi na sila binigyan ng another license, di ba? Kasi nahuli silang nag-overstate ng mga payouts tapos for marketing purposes, di ba? This may sound as bad news, pero for someone wants this type of business to flourish, this is actually necessary, di ba? This is good news, di ba? They deserve to close di ba? Kasi if totoo yung mga sinasabi sa kanila nung mga paratang sa kanila baga, they deserve to they deserve to close. And this actually tells you about the prop firm industry now. They're cracking down on mga prop firms, di ba? If medyo sasablay-sablay kang prop firm, you are dealing with bad malicious intents, di ba? To swindle and fraud people, okay lang 'yun. Mawala kayo, di ba? Pero if you are a prop firm that you are true to the business model, di ba? Kung pansinin mo naman, di ba, yung mga malalaki is nandiyan pa rin talaga. They are taking steps towards that, towards being accepted, di ba? Being regulated as a prop firm, di ba? And they are true to the business model. So, okay lang, di ba? Alam mo yun. Kaya, actually, this is good news for me. Kasi at least, nawala na lahat yung mga, di ba? Although masakit para dun sa may mga accounts. Although I feel you. Although hindi ko naman kasi na-experience yung MFF. So, marami kong kilala hanggang ngayon. Hanggang ngayon, sobrang lungkot pa rin nila pag naririnig nila yung MFF. Pero wala eh. Ganun talaga. If we want our industry to flourish, regulations must take in place di ba? And maprotektahan din tayo as traders, di ba? Alam mo yun? The business model kasi ng prop firm is been an evergreen model na ever since, di ba? Ever since may traders, ever since may iba-iba lang ang form. Ngayon, form niya is like e-com form na the challenges is being distributed by as a product, 'di ba? Pero dati it's a job 'di ba? Alam mo 'yun. Pero that actual business model is evergreen and will not go anytime soon. So, relax lang kayo. The companies will come and go, but the business model will stay. Kaya if I were you, siguro if you have something na dyan, just withdraw the funds. And of course, yung makikita mo naman yung mga prop firms na okay, di ba? Mas mahigpit, mas okay yun. Kung challenge pa lang, mahigpit na sila, mas okay yun. Kesa doon sa napakadadali. Alam mo yun? Pag ang gusto natin is yung broker natin, gusto natin yung mabilis, ganyan, mabilis. Parang sinasabi mo is yung gusto mong bangko is yung mababa ang security guidelines, yung security procedures, di ba? Labo nun, di ba? Alam mo yun? If you have an account, running account with all of the meron kang funded accounts and may profits ka na nakatenga lang dyan, i-withdraw mo na. Okay lang. Withdraw lang, tapos then try again. And ang model lang naman kasi dyan is dapat if yung initial mo na bili ng challenge is na-refund mo na or nag-ROI ka na and na-triple mo na, na-quadruple mo na, times 5 mo na, everything should be ano na eh, profits na, alam mo yun. So, tama na yan. Ano, next ano naman. So, edi balik ka doon sa base nung funded. That will keep you secured eh, di ba? Alam mo yun. Secured and pero again, proper business model is evergreen. So, relax. Okay?